Stay strong, your story isn't over yet. Welcome to the Critical Customer Reviews channel.
Best coffee for weight loss. Coffee is the most popular morning beverage consumed around the world. In fact, the global population consumes over 160 million bags of coffee in a year. Though the drink is most popular for boosting energy, it can also be healthy and help with your weight loss goals. Here's what you should know about coffee and weight loss, and how much you should drink to lose weight. 1. Why black coffee? Drinking your coffee black is by far the best option for weight loss. 1 cup of black coffee delivers a minimal amount of calories, usually no more than 5. Expert says, consuming a cup can cause you to burn up to 17 calories because of caffeine's metabolic boosting powers. Black coffee is basically a calorie-free beverage, so you can enjoy a guiltless glass, even while dieting. What's more is that coffee contains antioxidants, which can fight free radicals that roam through your body and threaten your health. Coffee will also make you more alert, and give you that extra energy boost to maintain a long workout. 2. Healthful compounds in coffee. While caffeine is certainly a main component of coffee, and one of its keys for offering various benefits, there are a wide range of other compounds that have health-promoting benefits. Caffeine boosts metabolism. Metabolism is the process in which the body breaks down nutrients and utilizes food's calories throughout the day. Caffeine, a stimulant found in coffee, is one of few substances that may increase your basal metabolic rate, BMR, also known as the rate at which you burn calories while resting. A small 2018 study found that participants who drank various measures of coffee over the course of 2 months had greater metabolites, a product of metabolism. A higher or faster metabolism will allow you to burn more calories at rest or during physical activity, which may help lead to weight loss. Caffeine may decrease feelings of hunger. Appetite is influenced by a variety of factors, including the type of food you eat, physical activity levels, and hormones. While there is not sufficient research to determine a cause-effect relationship for caffeine reducing appetite, studies have shown that it may reduce levels of ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry. A small 2014 study found that participants increased feelings of fullness and reduced their food intake just within 4 weeks of drinking coffee daily based on their ghrelin levels. Chlorogenic acid. Chlorogenic acid, also called CGA, is a compound that causes the bitter, or acidic, taste with coffee. CGA has an antioxidant effect that is likely responsible for the beneficial effects of coffee in terms of protection from heart disease and heart attack, a weight loss expert Quedman says. The antioxidant effect of CGA also seems to protect your DNA and nerve cells. CGA may also improve your ability to fight infections from bacteria, fungus, and viruses. It may also help stimulate the metabolism and slow the absorption of carbohydrates. Trigonelline. Trigonelline may be beneficial in terms of fighting infection, as well as in cancer surveillance, meaning our body's ability to kill cancer cells, Quedman says. Trigonelline may also help to regulate blood sugar by decreasing the tendency for people with diabetes to develop an increased blood sugar level when they eat. Polyphenols. Polyphenols are found in many types of plant-based foods and drinks. These antioxidants have been shown to improve health, decrease inflammation, and prevent illnesses, a weight loss expert Pham says. Mitchell, an oncology dietitian, adds that you can reap the tissue protective benefits of polyphenols from a single cup of coffee. 3. Some coffee drinks contain lots of calories and sugar. When drinking coffee for weight loss, it's best to avoid adding calories to your drink. It may be tempting to add milk or sugar into your coffee, but these can quickly add calories to your drink, Ashley Shaw, a registered dietitian at Preg Appetit says. Many popular coffee drinks are already high in calories, including Starbucks' very own Mocha Frappuccino and Caramel Macchiato, which contains 370 and 250 calories, respectively. Consuming more calories than your normal intake prevents you from achieving a calorie deficit for weight loss and instead leads to weight gain, Shaw says. 4. How to drink coffee for weight loss. One 2020 study conducted at the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health found that people who drank 4 cups of coffee per day saw a 4% decrease in body fat, believed to be linked to an increase in metabolism due to caffeine intake. To receive the health benefits of coffee and achieve weight loss, Shaw recommends drinking no more than 4 8-ounce cups of coffee a day, which equates to 400 milligrams of caffeine. Drinking a cup every couple of hours would be reasonable to feel the lasting effects in each interval, she says. 4 cups of coffee a day allows the benefits of feeling more awake and better fat metabolism, while not being too much to impact sleep and hunger. Next, if you are new to drinking black coffee, you probably need some additional ingredients to truly enjoy your cup of joe. In our next video, we will cover how to make your black coffee healthier and better. Please tap the card on the right to watch part 2, or link in the video description section down below. If this video is helping you, share this video on your SNS. Sharing is caring.
Thank you for watching. Please tap to subscribe to our channel. See you.